or like a normal size.
Alright. Good?
Yeah.
Anything come over to scanner yet?
Nope, I haven't heard it.
Which way do we go out? This way?
Yeah. We have to take some pain meds.
Pain meds?
Yeah. Nice. Thank you.
Just a crapper taker, Evans. Kids are probably baking in there. So what's the first order of business?
I don't know if you wanted to drive around for a little bit, or
Yeah.
if you want to
Yep.
go find some parts.
gonna go to the park?
Yeah, find the park that has the trails and all that stuff.
You can do that. Look, there's a lot of ferns out here, man.
I know. Wish we had a shovel and a place to put them.
Right? We just plant them like the rest of everybody else does.
Yep.
I'm gonna go back to what's going on. I didn't say anything, it was done.
Oh. Oh, there's an old truck in that barn.
Oh, nice. Looks like that one.
They're growing in there. Looks like they're growing corn on this side.
Yeah, I don't know what this is.
Aliens?
Like they are sprayed it, whatever it was.
Yeah.
one. I think it is
I
though.
think it was bigger like that, isn't it?
Yeah, true.
Maybe beans or something?
Kings?
Beans?
Beans? I was like, Beans? I've never heard of that. I was like, that must have been where Ed Gein got his name from.
Yeah, maybe like green beans or something.
Mm-hmm. Did he make it up there?
Yeah. I don't see him, but I know he made it across the road.
Well, they got solar power on their stuff.
Right. There's some corn, so that other stuff must, unless it just isn't growing for them, but the other stuff's probably a different plant.
Yeah, see, like this one right here, that's what that looks like.
Oh, yeah, this one's shorter. Huh.
So I'm thinking it might be corn.
I'm wondering if it's a different type of corn.
Yeah, or something, huh? Yep, I knew it, man.
That turn's gotta be hard once that corn gets really tall.
Uh-huh.
You can't see anything. Is that wheat or something? Maybe it looks like wheat.
Wheat corn. Kind of heavy.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
It's like got the perfect, it's like
Look,
not.
you got a bunch of
Yeah. Like set up right there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's definitely wheat. How many people this field can feed?
I wonder. That's a good question. Said business. Oh, look, at wood.
Well, I said, that's nice. That pond back there? Yeah, I saw that wood too. much Texas runs for now. Look at all of that yard that they have.
That's cute. Oh, pool setting here. I don't know what this place is.
It's like a pool place. Or what does it say? Swimming club? It's probably like a Y.
Oh.
A lot of Trump supporters down here.
There are. You know, I was just thinking that the other day, that I bet you, like, cities, a lot of times they do have a lot of Democratic supporters.
Yeah.
But I noticed the cities around, like the outskirts, always have a lot of Republican supporters.
Yeah.
And I think that the Republican supporters outweigh the Democrats, and the reason why is because look at how much space is out here.
Yeah, that's true. It makes you, that's a pretty one. It makes you wonder though if it has something to do with like how the city people are around more people and then like these people aren't, so they're not as aware of problems, maybe?
Which would make
Not
sense.
saying that Democrats are right or that Republicans are right, but that they're not as exposed to human problems in general or political problems because they're out doing their own thing.
Yeah. Well, see, that's the thing, though. You wouldn't catch a Democrat around here at all.
Yeah.
I've noticed out in the country you don't catch Democrats and you don't catch Republicans hardly in the city. Sometimes. Hardly.
Well, JC's Republican.
Is he?
Yeah.
Yeah? I didn't know that.
Well, he doesn't claim to be Republican. He goes with whoever's best. But Dad was also Republican, even though he went with whoever's best. So.
Yeah, that's who, like, I
like
consider myself more conservative than anything.
Yeah.
Like if they have, like, biblical views, I'll vote
Yeah.
for them.
That's the whole thing about, like, labels, though. It shouldn't be, like, well, I think this way, so this is what I'm called, you know? And I think that's probably why JC doesn't want to say he's straight up Republican. But he does tend to lean towards Republican views.
Yeah.
I don't know where the light is. There is one in here, though.
Where did they say we could go get some wood at?
That was... How did we end up here? That was, that road, that Dollar General coming in. It's on that road coming in straight where we're still camping. That's where that trailer is, up there. Do you know if that store takes cars?
I'm not sure.
Just wondering in case we can't find any.
Oh, you mean cards for wood?
Yeah, like, cards, like credit cards. That thing's so cute. I don't know what it is though. Or what it's for.
This kind of reminds me of like Frank's a little bit.
Yeah, I can see it. Like Williamsburg.
Yeah.
Or Pineville. Looks more like Pineville.
House on the hill. Trying to find a Circle K.
Oh yeah. We passed the people on our way down there. French waffles. What are French waffles?
Do they have griddle justice? French waffles.
What are chips doing? Huh. Cool. I don't know what a French waffle is, but yeah, this definitely looks more like Pineville to me.
Yeah.
I think you've been through there. It's that little town that you like. It's just outside of Middlesboro.
Yep. That's funny. Somebody rode their tractor to school.
Yeah.
It's got its own little like parking spot.
You know, the only thing is I haven't seen any hospitals around here.
No, same. There probably is a good one somewhere around here. You want to ask the sirs? Never mind, we've got a new circle.
Oh, like ask where the hospital is?
No, like where a Circle
Circle
K
K
might be.
We can look it up. Unless you're wanting the adventure of trying to find it.
I mean, we can.
So he can. I would go. Wow.
That's nice. Looks like it's collecting enough humidity and rain.
Yeah.
The clouds are starting to get a little more moist, a little more wet.
Yeah, they do look pretty heavy, don't they?
Yeah, I know there was a couple Circle K's on our way in. Does that say Londonville?
Loudonville.
Loudonville.
I wonder how much money Circle K has gotten from us.
Oh man.
The closest one is 15 miles away.
Okay.
Wanna go there?
You want to?
Yeah. Wow, 26 minutes.
I mean, we could. Want to?
Yeah, we can if you want.
Okay.
I'm surprised there's nothing close to it.
Close to Mansfield.
Yeah. Wonder for a little piece of like this.
I think she is. I don't think she slept too well last night.
Yeah. I know I didn't sleep well last night.
You didn't?
No.
We're gonna have to stop at the camper. So that way we can grab that canopy.
Yeah.
They sell wood. I wonder how much.
Says $10.
A bundle?
Yeah, but maybe give you more than a normal bundle. I'm not sure.
Do you want to stop?
We can.
Are you leaning?
I don't have any cash on me. I mean, I do, but I don't have enough cash.
You don't have any cash on you?
I have a little bit, but not enough to get that.
Oh,
Yeah.
so don't stop then?
Yeah, I don't.
Okay. You made it sound like he wanted to stop. That's why I pulled over.
Yeah, sorry. But it seems like that might be a good deal if we can get some cash. I know for your turbo card, there's like a certain ATMs that you can go to where it's free, and then I'm not sure about my card. I can go to any ATM, but it's still charged for it.
And then my cards, like certain ones are free. Really?
Yep.
How'd you figure that one?
It said it when we signed up for it.
Huh.
Right?
Mm-hmm. Should ask that lady.
Where can we get some wood?
Yeah, where can we get some wood for free around here? I don't think Mom would like my cooking, man.
Why?
Cause that was straight like redneck.
That was good. I mean, I don't think your cooking would be good for her, considering she has heart problems, but...
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
But I think her heart attack was caused by her thyroid. I don't think it was because of grease. Because she's never really eaten that much greasy stuff, but she doesn't eat a lot of salt.
Does she?
Yeah, she loves salt.
Salt's good for you, I hear, though.
It is. But it's also, if you have just like with anything, if you have too much of it, it raises your blood pressure.
Look at that big rubber duck in the middle.
Oh, that's awesome. I wonder where they got that.
Amazon. Aliens.
Doesn't even seem like a place Amazon would deliver at, or UPS or any of those.
Right. We don't go out there in them parts. This is town. This is where everybody hates you.
You have a turn coming up. Maybe we can just go in there and chop something.
We'll be there for days.
Manhandle it right with your little hatchet.
You talking crap about my hatchet?
No, it works.
Could you work for you on Keith?
That's a cute little house in the middle of nowhere.
Looks like there's a little side road to that. There. Goes along the trees.